What? Camera action!
Hi, my name is Erin, and this is my son Harlem, and we are family yoga together. Today I'm going to show you a construction site themed yoga class based on one of Harlem's favorite books, Mighty Mighty Construction Site. We'll be doing some different yoga poses based on each page in the book. Down in the big construction site, 5 trucks wake to morning light. It's time to stretch, roll out of bed, and gear up for the day ahead. So look at mommy. Can we stretch and get ready? Look, watch. One more time. They wipe their faces. They greet the sun. Let's do some sun salutations. Come to standing. Okay, here we go. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, arms come all the way down to your toes. Inhale, come up just halfway. Exhale, all the way down again. Inhale, hello, sun.
Hello, sun.
And hands to namaste. They load up, fuel up, rev up, and run! Run in a circle. Run, 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 run. And back to your mats. Back to your mats. The plans unrolled. They stare in awe. The biggest thing they ever saw. Let's roll and unroll our plan. Okay, I'm gonna roll you up in your yoga mat. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, put your head right here. And roll. And roll. And roll. And roll. And breathe here. 1, 2, 3. Time to unroll our plan. Keep your head up. Keep your head up so it doesn't hit the ground. Unroll. Ta-da.
Yay!
Yay!
Please.
It's a lot for them to do. Too much for a 5-truck crew. Cement mixer is thinking fast. He gives his horn a blaring blast. Okay, let's do 3 big honks. Get your horn ready. Take a deep breath in. Honk. Again. Honk. One last time. Honk. Good. Many trucks all hear the call. They start up in no time at all.
Why that?
Look at how many different trucks are we going to do. They're a mighty, massive super crew. There is nothing they can't do. Starting with skid steer. Skid steer's nimble, small, and quick. She turns, she spins, she does a trick. Okay, let's do skid steer pose. Come to standing.
Skid steer.
Okay, bring your arms out to the side. Stand right here. And twist, 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 twist. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Good.
I did it.
And then who's next?
Bulldozer.
Bulldozers, heavy, wide, and grand. He'll push and plow to clear the land. Stand at the front of your mat like this and take a big step back. Put this foot up here. No, this foot's over here. And this foot's back here a little bit more. Okay. Bend this front knee. Good. And then arms come out to the side. Warrior 2. And let's push the rocks out of the way. Okay. Can you balance? Here, try. One more time. Push. Okay, and then let's switch legs. This leg goes pointing that way now. And bend your knee deeply. Keep that other leg where it was. Keep this leg where it was. Okay. And bend your front knee. Arms out to the side. Stand up straight so you can balance. And push the rocks out of the way. Push the rocks. Push the rocks. Good. Jump your feet together. Each long trench is marked and planned. Excavator digs the land.
I knew it all by myself.
Okay. Okay, well, we're gonna do excavator and downward dog. So bring your hands out in front, step the legs back. Good, and then we're gonna dig with our feet. Dig up, dig up, dig up. Okay, switch feet, switch feet. Dig. Excavators digging up the land. One more time. And holding your down dog, 3 big breaths. Okay, walk your feet up to your hands. And roll yourself all the way up to stand. Let's meet our next construction site friend. Backhoe grabs a drainage pipe and sets it down in one smooth swipe. Okay, ready to do backhoe?
Yeah.
Okay, come to stand. Right leg is gonna step back. Keep both legs straight. Okay, arms come up overhead. Arms come up overhead. Keep both legs straight as you reach down to grab your drainage pipe and lift it back up, 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 up. Let's try that again. Reach all the way down. Keep both legs straight and come up, 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 up. Okay, let's switch sides. Face forward again. Face forward. Face forward. Foot forward the other way. Keep both legs straight and reach down, down, down. And once you're down at the bottom, pick up your drainage pipe and come right back up. Make sure you keep both legs nice and straight. One more time, reaching down, down, down. And then pick that drainage pipe right back up. And then step both feet together and meet hands at namaste. Next page.
Here.
Okay. Pulling up with all his might, crane truck lifts a beam to height.
Oh.
Okay, let's do crane truck. Okay. Come to stand facing this way again. That's right. Step your right foot back. This right foot back. And bend this front knee. Okay, come on up. Bend your front knee. Get your hook, your crane truck hook. And then we're gonna come down and lift it up. Come down and lift up. Okay, let's switch sides. So just face that way. Good. This leg comes out. Bend this knee deeply. Come this way and grab your hook and bring it all the way up. Grab your hook and pull up. Good. Okay. But then crane truck gasps out in surprise. He's used up all of his supplies. But what's this coming down the road? Could it be another load?
No.
Who's coming?
Mighty flatbed.
All right, let's do mighty flatbed. Okay.
I do it all for myself.
Okay, we're gonna come seated.
I know how to do
You know how to do this one? Okay, hands behind you and lift. And can you lift at 50 tons? Oh my gosh. Wow. Keep holding it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower down. Wow, that's hard work hauling 50 tons, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Front end loader and dump truck pair to move great loads from
Here to there.
digging, lifting, hauling ground. Giant piles are moved around. Loader digs and scoops his fill, then tilts it up so there's no spill. His bucket raises to the max. Okay, let's do bucket pose. Come all the way onto your tummy.
Bucket.
Yep, come onto your tummy. Come all the way onto your tummy, legs straight, and then bend your knees. Bend your knees, and then grab a hold of your ankles. And lift up.
That's what ladies do.
Yeah. Okay, and relax. Then beep, beep, beep. Let's do dump truck. Come to seated. Come to seated with your legs out in front of you. Grab a hold of your steering wheel. Beep, 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 and then zoom all the way up. Can you show me how to do that one?
I'm gonna turn around like
Turn
this.
around, come onto your bottom, legs out long in front of you, grab a hold of your steering wheel, sit up nice and tall, and then beep, beep, beep. Don't go all the way down. Zoom back up. Use your ab work. Beep, 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 and zoom all the way back up again.
Again.
Cement mixers working hard around the whole construction yard. Okay, let's do cement mixer. Come facing me with your legs nice and wide.
Oh.
On up, and then child's foot is gonna come to the inside, anywhere to where you can grab a hold of their hands. So Harlem's gonna come in right at my shins. Grab your hands, and we're gonna mix the cement. So go in big circles. Big circles, lean back as you come around, and then mommy leans back, and then Harlem leans back. Keep spinning. Whoa. And let's go the other way. Mix up the cement. Whoa. 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 Okay, and then hold. One partner comes forward. The other one goes back. And then switch. Go all the way back. Lean back. Lean back. Good job. Getting a nice stretch here. Feet are flexed. And back together. Now the concrete needs to climb. Who's gonna help him? Pumper is here right on time. Pumper's boom unfolds, goes high, reaching up toward the sky. Fill the hopper, flip the switch, and zoom. Concrete is pushed into the boom. All right, let's go ahead and do our pumper pose. Come back to standing. Back to standing. Our right foot back behind you. And just come to lunge. So keep on your toes now on your right foot. You got it.
On fire.
Harlem. Come on. Harlem's getting tired, so I'm going to go ahead and show you this one on my own without him. So for pumper pose, just stay in lunge. Stay on your right toes. And we're going to bend both knees. And then reaching the cement all the way up. Lower both your knees. And then right back up. Lower your right knee almost to the mat. And then right back up. Let's just switch sides. Right toes are in front now. Staying on the tops of your left toes. Bring your arms up. And reach down and get that cement. And boom. Right up to the top. Here we go. Lower the left knee. And boom. Right to the top. Last time, lower, and boom. Step both feet together, hands at namaste. Just like the plan, the job's complete. This awesome team just can't be beat. Cooperation got it done. Teamwork made it fast and fun. Let's do the building. We made the building, so stand with your feet hip distance apart. Stand with feet hip distance apart. And then reach your arms up overhead. Mountain pose. Take a few deep breaths here. Standing nice and tall.
My mountain is it's turning around.
Your mountain's turning around. Usually mountains stay nice and still. Show me your mountain pose. Stand up tall. Hands come up high into the air. Okay, and lower. It's starting to get dark now. It's getting dark. The sun has set. The trucks are tired as they can get. Okay, let's make moon pose. Moon pose. Come to standing. And then we'll do final resting. Harlem, stand to do moon pose. Okay, bring your feet together. Hands come up overhead and hands touch. And lean over to one side like the moon. Lean to one side like the moon. Lean to the side. There you go. Lean. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Okay, back to center. And let's do moon on the other side. Hands right over your head. Hold. 4. Big breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. They roll to find their cozy beds to cuddle up and rest their heads. They close their eyes and drift away. New adventures wait another day. Okay, let's get all tucked in tight for Shavasana. Great work today. Now, shh, good night. The hardest yoga pose of all, Shavasana. Lie down, relax, close your eyes, and relax your entire body. And I want you to try to stay still for 10 seconds. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now wiggle your fingers and your toes. Reach your arms back behind you. Bend your knees and roll over to one side like you're just waking up in the morning. So roll to your side. And then slowly push yourself back up to seated. Push yourself up to seated. Okay, and we'll end class sitting in crisscross applesauce. Crisscross applesauce. And then bring your hands to your heart. Let's take a deep inhale together and then we'll say Om to end our class today, okay? Here we go. Deep breath in. Then bring your hands to your forehead and between your eyes. With your hands in prayer. Put your hands in prayer. Like this. Look at mommy. Good. And then we bow in gratitude for this practice. And bow and say Namaste.
Namaste.
All right, thank you everyone. That was our yoga class based on Harlem's favorite book, Mighty Mighty Construction Site. We'll see you next time. Bye.